Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Suhaib 414, and I'm going to present Apache JMeter, which is a tool used for testing environment. So I'm going to open a .page file here. So here you can see the JMeter has been opened. It provides you a test plane here, the basic test plane. You can rename it here, as I'll give it a name, testing env. Let me save it, and you can give it any name, and I have saved it in my examples. So after that we have to add threads. Threads mean the users which will be using the site at a time. So I'm going to give it a name like testing users, and let me save it. After that, in the users group, I have to provide a sampler. There are different type of samplers in which I will select the HTTP request. So here it will ask some parameters like the URL and the protocol. Here it takes as a default HTTP, and in this field we have to provide a URL. For example, if I give it www.w3schools.com, and here it requires a path, so I'll give it a home path like this. Save it. After that you have to add a screen on which you will see the result. So there are different type of listeners here, and I'll select the view result tree. Okay, so the view result tree is added, and let me save the project and run it as default. So you can see the HTTP 200 status code has been appeared. So now I'll go to the thread group and provide a different parameters, like if I give it 100 users on any interval of time, and give it a loop of for example 3, and run it again. So you can see the result is been appearing, and it gives us a status 200. Is the result appear suddenly, so it means the website is working efficiently and effectively. So in this way we can test any website by giving it a URL here, like for example we can give it a different URL. If I give it my own URL, like as web.heroku8.com, like this, and if I go to results and clean the this one, I think this will take some time. Let's wait for it, because this is a free domain. This must take some time. So here you can see the status for my own site is also 200. It means it's also work efficient, but not that much, because it's a free domain. So this was all about the JMeter and how to use it for in different websites URLs. Thank you.